You can hold a plank for 2 minutes now, maybe 3. Your endurance improved. Your abs didn't. And that's usually where the confusion begins.
The issue isn't the plank, it's the demand. Most people assume something simple. If it burns, it's building. If you hold it longer, it must be working better. It sounds reasonable, but it's incomplete. Planks don't stop working because they're bad. They stop working because your body adapted.
Your body only changes when it feels a new demand. Not discomfort, not shaking, demand. At first, a plank is demanding. Your core isn't used to holding that position. So your body adapts. It becomes more efficient. But here's the shift. Efficiency is not the same as growth. Once your body handles your weight easily, there's no reason to build thicker muscle. It just repeats the same solution. And repetition doesn't force adaptation.
So what do most people do next? They hold the plank longer. 1 minute becomes 2, 2 becomes 3. It feels harder, so it must be better. But all you really did was solve an endurance problem, not a progression problem. Holding a plank for 5 minutes looks impressive. It doesn't demand anything new.
If you want planks to keep working, the demand has to change. Not the time, the demand. That can mean adding weight, a plate on your back, a weighted vest. It can mean making the position longer, extending your arms further out, turning a regular plank into a harder one, or reducing stability, using rings or an unstable surface. Now your body has a new problem to solve. And when the problem changes, adaptation returns. Training effort is holding longer. Training understanding is increasing demand. One feels harder, the other actually progresses. We keep things simple and factual here. Straight facts.